Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using an AI writing assistant. Okay, before we begin, I would appreciate it. It's called Yada.ai. So you will see here the future of writing is finally here. So use AI to write proven high converting copy for increased conversions and higher ROI. So instantly generate top-notch copy for ads, emails, websites, listings, blog stories, and so much more. You can start for free. So here are some of the things that you can use it for. So you can use it for social media, for advertising, writing blog articles or website contents, email, and website. Okay, and then here's just the sample of the Yara AI in action. And here's some of the companies that are trusted, more than 20,000 writers at these institutions. So here are some of the features that AI has. So it allows you to create converting copy. So write once, profit forever. Kick writers block to the curb. English not your first language. Okay, so you have this all of these features with this content writer or content writing assistant called Yara.ai, and it even has other features like write long form original content that's plagiarism free, so you'll be able to create your first draft 10 times faster, and you can create your original content that ranks. Okay, you can also use this to create your social media content, generate social media posts based on the templates available. It has a feature called abracadabra, so you can use it. You can tell AI, command the AI to write everything or anything that you want it to do. Okay, generate fresh, high impact and ad copy. Say, so you can use this for ads, ad campaigns, and email campaigns. Write high quality SEO optimized blog posts in minutes, and write website copy that sells the benefits, not just the feature, which actually makes sense. So all in all, you can definitely use it to make your work efficient, and at the same time you can potentially make money using the features that it offers. Now let's go ahead and create our free account, free trial, and then let's take a look into the dashboard, see what's inside. Okay, so here's what's the inside dashboard of the Yara.ai looks. Okay, so it's very simple. So you will see here you have a we have a free trial plan. Okay, it's actually for 1,000 credits. Okay, 1,000 plan credits. You have 0 bonus credits. You can actually earn free credits if you do all of this. So like writing an honest review and so on. Now, here are some of the things that we can use. So we are on the default project now. If you go to tools here, some of the things or the features that you can use or you can do using this AI tool. So this one needs to be on a pro account for us to get it tested. Okay, but just to hover over it, abracadabra, you can command this AI to write whatever you need. Okay, so like a chat GPT. Document AI, you're the boss, command Yara to write for you the way you want. So you can tell them to write in this particular specific style or character and so on. Story brand workflow, create story brand, so you can use this to create stories. Email genie, write emails and message faster. Okay, long form writer, so long form, okay, you will be able to create a complete long form blog article or draft, okay, in a matter of minutes. And then here are some of the options: add copy, headline, IDA framework, so that's just a pattern or format. Amazon brand headlines, Amazon product description. These things alone in Amazon, you can make money online using this feature. No experience, no skills required here. Just do a quick search in Fiverr, Upwork, or your social media groups. You'll be able to see here product description, and then you will see here the demand is really high. What they're offering is they are offering a service wherein they will be creating high quality SEO product descriptions. Look at the number of orders, more than 1,000. Okay, top Amazon listing SEO product descriptions. So you'll be able to replicate or you'll be able to offer similar service and charge competitively with the power of this AI tool. Okay, so BAB framework, blog conclusion, ideas. So these are for the blogs and contents, bullet points. Business or product name, you can offer that service as well and make money online using this AI. You can offer a service wherein you will be making or generating business names or product names for your client or business. Carousel post for Facebook, okay, here's for the email, checklist, confirmation email, content improver. So take your creativity to the next level by improving your content. And creative story is same as storytelling, okay, engaging questions. Here are some for the Facebook ads that you can use. So if you're a Facebook ad manager, you can definitely use it. If you're a social media manager, media buyer, you can use this. Okay, Google Ads. Okay, intro hook generator. So for YouTube, you can ask this AI to write you an engaging or captivating intro hook, okay, or a YouTube script. You can use all of these features under this AI tool. YouTube description, AI website meta description, video sales script, and so on. So let's go ahead and try, see what will happen, okay? So what we'll do is we will be trying to create, let's say, let's try to create a blog article. Okay, so we go to tools and then let's look at where the blog is. So blog. Okay, so well, this one needs to have a pro license to get it done, but definitely you can use this blog in a snap. Okay, we'll be able to write, because this options, blog conclusion, blog ideas, blog intro, and blog outline, it is actually like it's like separated, but all of this will go hand in hand under this feature. Okay, so you will be able to create a full draft of a blog post, SEO optimized, plagiarism free, if you will be able to use this feature. Unfortunately, we need to be on a pro account or a premium account for us to test it, but you get my point. So you'll be able to use this for that. Now the question is, how are we going to make money using this AI tool? Okay, there's a lot of ways. Since this is an AI writing assistant, you will be able to make money using, first, you can create content. Okay, so this AI tool is made specifically for that, so you can efficiently create high quality SEO optimized plagiarism free content, offer it to businesses, to clients, to individuals, sell it to them, charge them a fee whenever you create a content for them. Again, you can go to different websites. If you're just starting, you can go to websites like Upwork, Freelancer, social media groups, or better yet, create your own website and then create your own profile there. However, that may take time, but you can leverage the platforms available to offer your service. You can also use this AI to make money using the ad copies that it's able to produce. So you can use Yada.ai's ad copy generator. Okay, you can offer that to businesses by creating an optimized ad copy that increase their conversion rates and revenue. You can also offer content writing services to, you can apply to different writing services, like text broker. You can go to iWriter and then go ahead and apply to them. You'll be able to generate immediately or very quickly a great quality blog post or an article, whichever the preference or whichever the need is. You can also use this to become a social media manager and get paid for it. So what you have to do is to use this AI features to generate your social media content. Okay, so you can use this to generate social media content that's engaging, that's attractive to more potential followers, that will increase engagement, that can potentially lead to monetization opportunities for your clients as well. Okay, you can use that for you can make money online there by charging them, by managing their social media posts. If you have your own social media platform, you can use that and make money through sponsored posts or partnerships. And overall, what it does is it allows you to increase your productivity by making everything efficient. So you can use, like the emails genie feature. You can use this genie feature to allow, to cut short or to remove the hassle of creating this daily communications and so on. So which in turn allows you to focus more on other revenue generating activities. Okay, so you can go ahead, if you're interested, you can go ahead and go to the website Yada.ai to see what this AI tool offers. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.